Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fong Ho Wei, and I'm come from TSE Year 4 student. Today, I'm going to share about my final year project, Solar Power Intelligent Volume System demonstration video. First of all, in this project, I'm going to use the solar power to produce the energy to save in this battery, and then this battery will provide the whole power to the whole system to replace the traditional energy such as using DC supply. So now I'm going to demonstrate how it works. First of all, for the imbalance sensor, it sends that you have a green light to to tell us that because the environment in luminance is strong enough, so the system is turned on. So you can see that each LED lamp is turned off right now, and then the PWM adjustment controller still is turned on. However, when I use the box to cover the sensor, then you can see that the adjustment controller is turned on right now. So the battery will, from the charging mode, change it to the output mode immediately, and then you can see that all the LED lamp is turned on. But in this case, you can see that all the LED lamp is become the lower output mode. For the lower output mode, is going to save energy, because in my project the purpose is going to build a intelligent volume system. That means for each LED lamp is controlled by each influence sensor. If the sensor says that if there have no any object coming or car coming, then the corresponding LED lamp will turn off and reduce the power output. And that means when there is no car coming, the LED lamp no need to output the full power to provide the light. However, when the object is coming, once the sensor sense the objects come, then it will send the signal to the Arduino, and then the Arduino will increase the PWM value to control the LED lamp to have a maximum power output. And now I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So you can see that for LED, so you can see that this lamp is called LED lamp 4. For the LED lamp 4 is controlled by this L0 infrared sensors 4. So now because the infrared sensors 4 cannot detect any object, so you can see that the LED lamp 4 is a waiting mode that only 20% luminance output, so that it can reduce the energy when there is no object need to surface. However, when I put a car here, you can see that the sensor senses the car object, and then it will increase the PWM value to the LED lamp 4. So in this case, you can see the LED lamp 4 is increased the illuminance. After that, when the car is passed through the LED lamp 4, it will go to the next surface zone. Is called influence sensors 5. So that in this time, the LED lamp 4 will reduce the power because the car is leaving now and no more new object or car is coming. So no one need the LED lamp 4 to surface, so LED lamp 4 can reduce the power to save energy. However, because the car is going to the next direction zone, for the zone 5, the influence sensors 5 detect the car is coming, so the LED lamp 5 is now immediately to turn to 100% output and reach the car. After it pass through, then the car will go to the next zone, is called the sixth zone. The sixth zone is controlled by the influence sensor 6 and connected with LED lamp 6. And at this time is similar to the zone 4 case, because the car is just past the zone 5, and then the LED lamp 5 and no one need the LED lamp 5 to surface, so that the influence sensor also cannot receive any signal by the new car is coming. So the LED lamp 5 will reduce and back to the waiting mode and wait until the next car is coming. And then similarly, the car is going to sensor 6, and then sensor 6 will tell the PWM signal to improve 100% of the lamp 6. After that, the car will pass through the lamp 7, and then the lamp 6 will reduce the PWM signal because for the car is leaving, and then the lamp 7 will call the lamp the lamp 7 to turn on. And then once the lamp 7, the car is passed through the lamp 7, and it will go to the sensor 8, and then the sensor 8 will receive the signal by the car, and then it will call the Arduino to turn on the lamp 8. And lamp 8 PWM, and then the lamp now will be increased and become the maximum power output. And in order to the lamp 7, you can see that the lamp 7 is reduced back to the 20% power output because the sensor 7 cannot detect any new object. And then for the intelligent system, the object is going to reduce the energy used and reduce the light pollution, so that if the lamp no need to surface other people or object or car, so the sensor will control the lamp's LED corresponding lamp to reduce the luminance so that it can save more energy. So for the whole dose loop is when the car is here, it will set the sensor here will sense the car is coming and then told the LED ready to turn on ready, and then after the car is passed through here, and then this sensor will sense the car value and then tells the corresponding LED lamp to turn to 100% output. At the same time, this LED lamp will reduce the power back to the 20% because there is no any new car is coming, and for the reducing energy for the purpose to reduce energy, the LED lamp should be turned down to 20%, and then in this case now it's only turned on the free LED lamp free because the sensors of the corresponding is sense the car is here, and then so the LED lamp in my project is turn on one by one and also turn off one by one, so that if there is an object coming, the sensor get the value, then it will control the LED lamp to input more PWM signal so that it can have a 100% output mode. However, if the object is left, the corresponding zone doesn't have any new object coming, so the influence sensor cannot detect anything, and it will control the LED lamp to reduce the PWM signal, so that the LED lamp will become 20% low work safe waiting output mode to wait until the next object or car is coming to give a surface to the car. After that, I'm going to share about the battery pack. In this intelligent roll lamp system, the other most important thing is the backup emergency system, because all the power is come from the battery. So the battery, if the battery is broken, then the whole system will shut down. However, I use the DC supply for the backup battery and connect to this relay, so that I'm now simulated. If I just plug out the cable from the battery, you may see that you have a sound that the relay will bypass the power system back to the to the DC supply, and then all the devices have no shutdown, and you can see that all the lamp is still on. However, once the battery cable is back, you connect back again, and then the relay will change it to the main supply from the battery output, and then the DC supply will become this standby supply power. You can see that in this time the relay is tucked back to the main supply, so that the DC supply is going to become a standby mode. After that, I'm going to use a 12 to 5 volt step-down module to provide the energy, because the LED lamp only use around 3 volt. However, for the whole system, it provides 12 volt to the LED lamp, so it's very dangerous for the LED. So I use the 12 volt to 5 volt step-down module to produce the power in this power distribution box, and then each lamp and sensor can get the power from this box. After that, I'm going to share about the monitoring system. You can see that for the monitoring system, when it's operation, the output is equal to 1. For the output is equal to 1, that means the whole system is running on, and then each set voltage sensor by the Arduino can sense each lamp voltage. So now for the operation, each lamp voltage is around 2.7 to 2.9, sorry. So that you can see that the voltage for each lamp of operation mode is very stable. However, if I just plug out one lamp cable, it will immediately to send a damage report. You can see that right now I just plug out this lamp 7 cable, so lamp 7 now become open circuit. because the LED lamp need at least 0.7 to turn on. So lamp 7 now is lamp 7 cable is plugged out so that the lamp 7 voltage is lower than 0.7, and it will generate a signal to the monitoring system that lamp 7 is error right now, so that the monitoring people can know which lamp is broken right now, so that it can find some guys to fix it immediately. And this is suitable, and it can make the whole system have more efficiency, higher efficiency, and higher maintenance ability. After that, I just plug back the cable. You can see that the voltage 7 now is become the 2 voltage 7 of light 7 is become to 2.8. That means the lamp is become normal operation, and then the people who monitoring this system may know that now all the system is becoming normal now. After that, for the last part, I'm going to share about how the system stop, because now the whole system is running, and then once the sensor sends the value that the environment illuminance is strong enough, so you can see that for the monitoring system, the output will change to 0. So that means the environment no need to turn on the whole system. So that right now the battery is become charging mode, from output mode change become to charging mode, and then the electricity will come from the solar panel to charge this battery at the daytime, and then wait until at night it need to operation to support the whole system power at whole night, and recycling day by day. And that is the end of my final year project demonstration video. Thank you so much.